the external documents is for the links, and the file is you can actually upload the document, right?
Yes. Now, if you go into the files section, the files is where you can upload individual files. So if I, click on add files, I can add it right there. Actually, let me just go to, Cody's record here. Oh, there we go. So if we go into the files section here, you can have multiple different files. A file can be one of two things. It can either be private, in which case it's only viewable by you. If you were to copy that URL and try to use it, other people could not have access to it. If it's green, it means it's public, and anybody could link to that file. Now, if you've got a file that you've uploaded, say we've got a picture or whatever, we can come over here and say save to external documents. And then that will take that document just as if it was in Google Drive or in DocuSign or wherever, and it creates an external document linked to it. And if it is private, if it's a private file, it'll make it public and before it does its thing. So just a way to deal with the files and being able to use them as merge fields as part of external documents.